We got a 2013 CC 2-liter turbo TSI engine, and we're just going to be replacing the suspension in it. I guess the customer put an aftermarket suspension in it and it's not properly sitting at the proper ride height, so we're going to be actually taking the aftermarket out and putting the OEM back in. Alrighty, so this is what we're removing. Got some coilovers, springs. So these are form function shocks and struts. Tools needed for the job. T30. What sizes?
18, 16, 24, 12 point.
24, 12 point. 10 millimeter.
Popper.
A popper. T30. 10 mil. What are you taking off?
Bracket for the brake hose and the ABS sensor wire. That guy right there.
What size was it?
18.
18. The famous popper. 16.
16.
3 of those. 18 for the
Sway bar link.
sway bar link, right up there. What size?
21.
21s. For the
Caliper.
caliper. I thought we called it something else yesterday.
24, 12 point.
24, 12 point.
Okay.
$10 mil for the bracket.
Brake sensor on this side.
Oh, it's only on one side, the brake sensor?
Only on the driver.
Little popper. Was it 21?
21.
The caliper.
Carrier, caliper carrier.
Caliper carrier, that's what we, yeah, that's what it was. .316s, 24, 12 point. Pull little clips.
Yep. Even took the time to put it all.
12 mil.
There's stems in there?
Yeah.
Oh, they just air them up.
Taking the sensors back out of these things?
No.
What size was it?
18 and a 14, 12 point.
18 and a 14, 12 point.
On the original car.
What size for that driver wiper?
13.
It's the best trick ever.
Yeah, the CPR.
12 mil on these particular ones. Is it? You said it's normally 13.
It's normally a 13 bolt.
13 bolt. Okay. Strut bolts are 13s now. Got the new strut in. Well, actually the OEM one. And what is this tool called?
This is a spreader.
Do you break them often?
Never. I've never.
I just figured since you're putting a lot of stress, like twisting.
I mean, that's what it's made to do.
Size one more time.
18
18 and
14 triple square.
and a 14 triple square. Doing a little bracket. 10 mil.
10 mil.
If you didn't have that spreader, what could you use?
Key hammered in there. There's a lot of things you could use.
You know where to put the shock. Oh, it slides up into that
Yeah, it bottoms
notch.
out. Yeah.
Okay. What size?
It's a T30 on this.
230 on this particular suspension. spray in there silicone.
It's all silicone.
Cap it out at a certain dollar.
Can we call back?
The roadie.
The roadie.
You said. YouTube's biggest hack.
What size?
16.
What do you call that? The
Upper strut mount.
upper strut mount? What
Yeah.
size?
16.
16. How many?
2.
2. Do you need a swivel, and what size is it?
21.
21. That's the rear strut. What size was it?
They were using a 15, but typically it's a 16.
They're using a 15. They're using a 15 and it calls normally for a 16?
Typically it's a 16.
On an OEM?
Yeah. This mount's no good.
It's no good about it.
The bearing inside's smoked.
Gotcha. What size nut and bolt?
21.
21 bolt on variety. 21. Same thing for the passenger rear.
This one might have to.
What size?
18.
18, 18?
The problem is it's third party shit. Like,
18, 18. One nut, one bolt. What size up top? 16? 2 16s. Kind of hard to see. We just tightened this up. It's the lower shock bolt. It's a 21. Two 16s.
call me. You want to come over here? We'll fucking
T25. Putting the wheel liner in. .21mm lower shock bolt.
This could be cordial.